Alright guys, so today I'm going to be going over how to set up a person that actually talks. So a person, when you go up to them and you hit E, they're going to say something to you. But right now, this isn't actually going to do much. Eventually maybe we'll add a quest or something. But for now, it's just going to talk. So if we play our game, I'll show you what we had because it's been a little while. We hit play. Now we have our character, so we're going to walk down here. And we have our little guy right here. Right? So, first thing we need to do is we need to set a variable. Right up here, we need to just set a boolean. We're going to call this duck1 talk. And originally we're going to set this is equal to false because we don't want this box to pop up yet. And then down here, we're actually just going to draw a string right now. So we're going to do, right here, we're going to do, so if, what do we call that? Duck1 talk. If duck1 talk is equal to true, then we are actually going to draw a string, but we're not going to draw obviously this. We're going to draw just something that says hello player. Sure, we're going to say hello player. And we're not going to set this at 420, obviously. We're going to want it to be lower. So the x is going to stay the same, but instead of it being 20, maybe we'll set it to like 400 or something. So we're going to draw that simple string when it's set to true. So now in the update method down here, right here, how we did the method, same thing as this right here, as the build entrance, which this should actually be out here. There we go. So we're actually going to set another thing here. And we actually need to find the character position. So I'm going to run debug mode. I'm going to hit play. And then I'm going to walk down to the character. And we need the two x's. So let's just do this really quick. So anywhere from negative 762 to negative 836. So negative 836 and 762 for x. Same thing for y. 372, 294. So 372 and 294. So if the player is in there, and if input dot key is pressed, oh no, sorry, is key pressed. So is key pressed, E, or no, key, or input dot, sorry, I haven't written this in a while, key E. So if E is pressed, no. Let's add this actually. Because we crashed it, great job. So I'm hoping this will just kind of close on its own. So if it's pressed, then we're going to set duck1 talk to true. Okay. So that should work now. So now we're going to walk up to our guy. And we're just going to press E on him. And as you can see, he says hello player. So now we don't have a way to actually exit out of here. So now what we have to do is down here where the same thing is here. So if button is down, escape. So outside, so if duck1 talk is true, so if the menu is open, if we press, so if input dot is key down. So if we press key, let's say Q. So if we press Q, we are going to close the menu. So we're gonna say duck1talk is equal to false, which will set it back to false. We write this wrong. Oh yeah, we put input dot is down. Okay, now we're gonna load the game up again. We're gonna walk over to our character. Hit E on him. Hello, player. Now hit Q, and it's gone again. Hit E, Q. So actually, what you can actually do with this is when we add an inventory of some sort, you can set it into an item. So you hit E, and it says, hey, have an item, and then it will add the item to your inventory. Or you can have a quest, so you hit Y for yes, N for no to accept. If you accept the quest, then we'll continue there. Eventually, maybe we'll do something like that. But for now, that's how you make a person talk. It's pretty simple. You could also, instead of just doing a string, how it says world.draw, you can actually, or character.draw, sorry. Any of these, actually. You can actually draw an image on the screen. That's what I did for my game when I actually made my first game. I just had an image pop up. That was the box. And so, yeah. You do that too. But yeah. Thanks for watching.